taken out of it. I just turtled and ran off, but it didn't jump me. It just pulled me off.
Alright, let's go again.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Windrunner, Barbed Arrow, Shadow Dagger, Barbed Arrow, Rage,
Get some blue.
Veil of Darkness, Heal CD, Windrunner, Barbed Arrow, Barbed Arrow,
Arrows to red.
Veil of Darkness,
Stack on boss. Kill the odds.
Windrunner, Barbed Arrow,
Red is gates. And go.
Veil of Darkness,
Stopping.
Yep, just skill chains, don't touch boss.
Heal CD,
Stack up, don't
Targeted.
touch the boss. Kill the odds.
Windrunner, Barbed Arrow,
Pusher.
Veil of Darkness,
Can't reach Ariza.
I laid him. I think.
Rive, 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 Spread,
Rune up.
Bait like champions. Be master baiters.
Haunting Wave.
Stack for darkness.
Dark Communion. Veil of Darkness.
Stack with the circles.
Good job, Viz.
Ruin. Ruin. Banshee Shroud.
Potions. Focus gateway.
Heal CD. Shadow Dagger. Haunting Wave.
Out of melee. Get to the gates. Wait.
Veil of Darkness.
Wait. Go.
Shadow Dagger. Haunting Wave.
Out of melee. And spread.
Spread.
Focus on baiting now.
Haunting Wave.
Don't get hit by waves.
Coming straight ahead again. You're right.
Dark Communion. Veil of Darkness.
Darkness. Move.
Kick.
Crushing Dread. Haunting Wave. Ruin. Banshee Shroud.
Good job.
Focus the gates.
Shadow Dagger. Heal CD. Haunting Wave.
Get out of melee. Get to the gates.
Veil of Darkness.
Wait. Go.
Shadow Dagger. Haunting Wave.
Get out of melee. And spread.
Spread. Banshee Shroud.
Come on.
Full focus.
Let's get it.
Second speed.
Oh, it's on cooldown.
So good.
Bane Arrows.
Fell in one. Spread out.
Veil of Darkness.
I'm out.
Banshee's Weapons.
Be in the
Stack in
center
middle.
for Fury. Keep me up here. Dispel fight.
Banshee's Fury.
Dispel Quorum.
Banshee's Weapons.
Switch.
No link.
Banshee's Weapons.
Spread out.
2 and 3 go together.
Banshee's Weapons.
Innervate, please.
Banshee's
done.
Weapons. Banshee's Banshee Scream.
Spread out. And afterwards we
Darkness.
get a Veil and Soaks.
Banshee's Weapons. Veil
Enter
of Darkness.
positions.
Merciless.
And Soaks.
And stack in middle.
Heal Banshee's weapons. Banshee's fury.
Dispel Core.
Bane arrows. Banshee's
Watch the
weapons.
pulls.
Dead knives in 5. Knives now. Then we get arrows overlapping with soaking.
Banshee's weapons.
And
Merciless.
soaks.
Backup soak.
I got you.
Spread darkness.
And go to your fells.
18 paints up.
Fel coming.
Veil of
Spell fine.
darkness.
Stack on the boss immediately
Veil
afterwards.
of darkness. Banshee's weapons.
Spell Core.
Switch.
Raise.
Corm has a new stack.
Yeah, the best spell, that's fine.
Banshee's weapons.
Stack in the middle.
You might need to turn back.
Banshee's
Stay calm.
weapons. Banshee's fury.
Dead knives in 5. After the dead knives we are spreading out for scream.
Banshee's weapons.
Watch the knives and spread afterwards.
Banshee's
Spread
scream.
now and then we have soaks.
This is up to right.
2, yes. Or 3.
Banshee's weapons. Merciless. Veil of darkness.
Rest.
Wait
You'll
for the
see
arrows to
Banshee's
explode though, Etienne.
weapons.
Don't die.
Banshee's weapons. Bane arrows.
Oh, I'll get these.
Oh, that's cool.
Stack in the
That's
middle.
okay.
Stack in the middle.
Fury in 4. I'll just buy myself.
Remember
Banshee's
soaps.
fury.
Dispel Core.
Banshee's weapons.
Immunity soaks now and dead
Banshee's
knives.
weapons. Merciless.
Immunity soaks.
Banshee's weapons.
2 to sack me.
Darkness spread.
Veil of darkness.
Innervate.
Banshee's
Kill
weapons.
fucking darkness as well.
Raise.
Stack on
Dispel
us now.
Banshee's weapons.
Stack in the corner now. Fly
Watch your
calls.
stacks now, make sure you don't have any. You can get out. Corm first.
Banshee's weapons.
Swoop go. Either one go.
Banshee's weapons.
Now use any personal, any health zone, any HP pots. Just don't die.
Fly, get the spell.
We get death knives during this. Make sure you spread out.
Banshee's fury. Banshee's weapons.
Into screams and pools. Stay
Banshee's
spread out.
scream.
And Veil, go to your Veil spots.
Bane arrows.
Okay,
Banshee's
these pools off the Veil.
Veil of
Veil now.
darkness.
And Hero. And pots.
Banshee's weapons.
The first things is gonna be arrows overlapping with dead knives, so try to get into the corner a bit already. Make sure you check your gateway debuff and focus the gateway. Fly go.
Banshee's weapons. Heal CD.
Let's watch these
Send
death
go and
knives.
watch the dead knives. Dead knives move out. Don't hit the rate. And Dolo go.
Dispel fly.
Where's Dolo?
Banshee's
Fucking
weapons.
Spell
go.
Core.
Who fuck?
Let's fucking go.
Come on.
Let's fucking kill it.
Spider-Man,
Yes, there it is,
Nice.
dude.
Let's go. We're free.
Go.
There we go.
More hype.
Holy fuck,
Let's-
finally.
I'm getting too old for this shit.
0 deaths. Yeah.
See you in 2020.
2 deaths. Close
0. No, for the video, 0.
I didn't see a single left.
Me neither.
Fucking pull where I get arrow free.
Oh, that's not a bow.
Oh,
Gorat,
the
we're
fucking
rolling.
dagger.
We're rolling. Marks, we're rolling.
Look at this ring.
Oh my god, juicy.
Oh, Stygian.
Gonna run these balls.
Oh, we get 2 months?
Yeah,
Yeah.
2 months per kill.
No one's leaving until picture.
What's the title?
Super fucking
It's not Famed Slayer.
sick players.
Bane.
Bane.
Doesn't it announce server?
I don't see it on my list.
We're not the server first anymore.
We failed.
It was supposed to be server.
I don't see it either.
Do you guys have a title?
We got scammed.
You have to relog. You always have to relog. You never get it straight away.
Yeah, okay.
Relogging, man.
Time to relog first, or?
Yeah, you can have the title on. Come on.
Picture.
Maybe you can reload now actually because I changed
Yeah.
the stuff, right?
No, reload is just local. That's well,
Yeah, I
yeah.
just